Okay, thanks everyone for watching this video just to finish the class together today. So we were doing some listening practice to look at the picture and remember the bank word. So the teacher speaks the word, you look at the picture and choose which one is the match for the bank word. So just in case you did not finish, I don't know when my Wi-Fi stopped, so I'm going to repeat again these answers for you. So number 2 was security guard. You can write the answer on your notebook like this, writing security guard, number 2. Number 3 was lineup. Lineup. Number 4, debit card. Debit card. Number 5 was bank. Bank. Number 6 was ATM. ATM. Number 7 was teller. Teller. And number 8 was bank account. Bank account. So here are the answers. You can check on your paper if you get them correct. Number 2 was security guard, C. Number 3 was lineup, G. Number 4 was debit card, B. Number 5 was bank, F. Number 6 was ATM, A. Number 7 was teller, E. And number 8 was bank account, D. H, C, G, B, F, A, E, D. So check on your paper if you got the good answers for those ones. All right, next up. I want us to listen and look at the picture here. So we know we have a security guard here and a door for the bank. Let's listen to 3 choices and choose one that you think is what the security guard is speaking. So let's listen together. Here is number 1. Let's listen to number 2. And let's listen to number 3. Which one do you think is the security guard speaking? Sorry, can you please repeat that? Come in? Or how can I help you? Well, he's standing by a door. His hand is pointing in the building. So the right answer is number 2. The security guard says, come in. He's saying, come in the building. Let's try another one. Here we have a bank. We have some more security guards. What do you think the security guards are going to speak in this picture? Here is number 1. Number 2. And number 3. Okay, so based on what you see in the picture, do you think that the security guards are saying, please wait in the lineup? Number 2 was How can I help you? And number 3 was, what do you think? I think the right answer is number 1. Please wait in the lineup. You can see there is a big lineup of people. And so the security guards are going to tell you, please wait in the lineup. You cannot go to the teller first. You have to wait. Good. So number 1 was the right answer. All right. We're going to leave that there. And we'll do one more practice tomorrow, or 2 more practices tomorrow. But I want to do just a little bit of spelling with you. We're going to listen for the vowel sounds. Now let's remember our vowels. We've only finished 4 so far. We did A, E, I, and O. And the sound, remember the sound for the vowels. Letter A says ah. Think of your example word, apple, right? Apple. Letter E says, what sound? Eh, Edmonton. Elephant. Good. Letter E says eh. Now, how about letter I? What sound is letter I? Eh. Yeah, eh. Very short. Like in or inside. And letter O. What sound does letter O make? October. October. Or office. So we have ah. These are the 4 vowels we're going to listen for together. Okay, let's try to listen and choose the vowel sound with the spelling. Our first word starts with a T. What sound is T? T, T. Good. T. The next sound is eh. What vowel is eh? What do you think? Eh. E. Good job. It is E. So we have T, eh, L, R. This is a bossy R, so we don't say the E sound, we just speak the R. R. So all together we have T, eh, L, R. What is my word? Can you put them together? Teller. Teller. The bank teller has an eh sound like E. Let's try another one. Oh, the first sound is a vowel in this word, and it is ah. What vowel says ah? It is A. A says ah. The next sound is k. K. OU together says ow. Ow. OU. Ow. Ow. And we finish this word with nt. Nt. Whoa, that's a hard word. Let's put it together and see if we can figure it out. Ah, k, ow, nt. Ah, k, ow, nt. What is the word? Can you put it together? Account. Account, like a bank account. Very nice. One more. What vowel? The vowel is eh. What vowel says eh? Eh. Letter E. Yes. So eh. Cure. Cure. The next vowel, there's two here, is eh. Eh. What vowel says eh? Letter I. Very good. Eh. T. Ty says tea. That's a long word. Let's go back to the beginning. Cure, tea. Secure, tea. What is the word? Security, like security guard. Awesome, you guys. Very nice. Here is your homework for today. You have 3 homework things that you need to finish. Number 1, listen and repeat the bank speaking. Number 2, listen and spell. Number 3, write the weather sentences. Number 1, listen and repeat. Let me move my video here so that I'm not in the way. There we go. Listen and repeat. You see the yellow number 1? This is the first one you need to finish. I'm going to send you 4 listenings here. You are going to listen, and then you're going to make a voice message. You see this red circle. You push the button and you speak the same thing back. So you listen one time and then you repeat. But actually, let's listen maybe 5 times. Listen, 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 listen. So you know that you have it, and then speak to teacher. 4 different sentences about bank. Next. Oh, let me work through those. There we go. Okay. Number 2, homework. Listen and spell. Here you need your notebook and you need your pencil. So you're going to listen to teacher's sound and you're going to write the spelling. Okay, again, I will send you a voice message. You listen and write the spelling for the different words. And the last homework, number 3, write. Oh, I'm stuck over here again. Writing homework. It's writing about the weather. So just like we practiced in class today, number 1, copy today, it, and then you have to choose what comes next. And then you have to match the spelling to the picture that you have there. Okay? Be careful with your writing. Make sure that your letters go up and your letters are short. Don't forget to make them different. Okay, that's everything for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please look at WhatsApp to find this homework. Bye.